Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can show notification on your Android lock screen. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone. Then we're going to find the lock screen setting. So this is the lock screen setting, and you have to click on the setting. And if you want to get the notification on your lock screen, you just need to click on the circle button like this, and the notification on your lock screen will be activated. And you can customize the notification. You just need to click on this option. Then you can select how your notification will be displayed on your lock screen. You can select icons only or details. And for example, I'm just going to select icons only. You can hide the content of your notification as well right here. If you want to hide content, you just need to click on this circle button. And alright guys, that's how we can show notification on Android lock screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.